Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Nothing is better than a great pair of sunglasses, and this pair is not only beautiful and stylish, but they also fit perfectly on my head and my nose. They don't squeeze my head and they don't fall off when I put my head down. They block the sun perfectly, and I love the rose-colored tint that they give everything. These sunglasses come in several different styles and colors, and I gotta tell you, I want a pair to match every outfit in my closet. Now, I have accidentally put these sunglasses through some abuse. I've worn them to the pool, I've put them in the bottom of my purse, I've worn them to the zoo with my kids, and I've dropped them a number of times because I'm clumsy. But these lenses don't have a scratch on them. That is unheard of for me. I've had sunglasses in the past that were a little on the heavy side, and I could only wear them for a few hours before I got a headache. But these glasses are so lightweight, I can wear them all day and even forget that I have them on. So if you're in the market for a new favorite pair of sunglasses, then I highly recommend these sunglasses from Bircenpro. In fact, I recommend several pairs of these glasses because you're going to be heartbroken when you accidentally leave them at the movie theater. And that's my point of view.